Hello and welcome to today's episode. You're listening to an English learning podcast created to help you speak more clearly, confidently, and naturally. If you want to improve your English, if you want a daily routine that really works, and if you want to speak without fear, you are in the right place. Today's topic is simple but powerful: how to practice English every single day. Not sometimes, not when you feel motivated, but starting today. Section 1. Why daily practice matters. Learning English is not about studying for many hours in one day. It is about practicing a little every day. 20 minutes daily is better than 3 hours once a week. Language grows through repetition. Your brain learns faster when you give it daily exposure. Think of English as a plant. When you water it every day, it grows strong. When you forget it, it slowly dies. If you want to speak fluently, make English part of your daily life. Section 2. Start your day with English. The first habit is the most important one. When you wake up, do not check your phone immediately. Start your day with English. Say 5 simple sentences every morning. I am ready for today. I am improving every day. I enjoy learning English. I will practice today. I believe in myself. This takes less than 2 minutes, but it sets your mind in English mode. Your day begins with confidence. Section 3. Learn vocabulary the smart way. Many learners memorize long word lists. Most of those words are forgotten quickly. The better method is simple. Learn one word a day. Use it in a sentence. Repeat it during the day. For example, today's word, improve. Sentence: I want to improve my English. After 1 year, you will know 365 strong words, not from pressure, from practice. Section 4. Listening creates speaking. You cannot speak what you cannot hear. Listening builds pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. Listen while walking, eating, traveling, resting. It does not matter if you understand everything. Your brain is learning quietly. Daily listening builds natural English. Section 5. Self-talk training. This is one of the most powerful techniques. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you are doing. I am cooking. I am walking. I feel tired but happy. I will do better tomorrow. Self-talk trains your brain to think in English. No pressure, no fear, just practice. Section 6. Remove fear from your mind. Many people do not speak because they are afraid of mistakes. But mistakes are not failure. Mistakes are success in progress. Fluency is built by using English, not by hiding from it. Speak first, improve later. Confidence comes from action. Section 7. Make English enjoyable. Do not turn English into stress. Turn it into a habit. Watch English movies. Listen to music. Read short stories. Enjoy learning. If learning is fun, progress is fast. Section 8. Be consistent. Consistency is more powerful than talent. Some days you will feel motivated. Some days you will not. Practice anyway. Even 2 minutes is better than 0. Never stop completely. Section 9. Think directly in English. Do not translate in your head. Train your brain to think in English. When you see water, think water. When you feel hungry, think I am hungry. Start today. Section 10. Simple daily routine. Here is a simple routine. Morning, speak 5 sentences. Afternoon, learn 1 word. Evening, watch or listen to English. Night, do self-talk for 5 minutes. That's it. Simple. Section 11. Shadowing practice. Shadowing is a powerful technique. Listen to 1 sentence. Repeat it immediately out loud, like an echo. This improves pronunciation and confidence. Practice for 10 minutes a day. Section 12. Speak with real people. English is a language, not only a subject. Speak with friends, classmates, online partners, teachers. Small conversations build big confidence. Section 13. Stop comparing. Do not compare your English with others. Everyone's journey is different. Focus on progress, not perfection. Your own improvement is what matters. Section 14. Practice in real life. Use English in daily life. At a shop. How much is this? At home. I am cleaning. Outside. It is very hot today. Every moment is an opportunity. Section 15. Write a daily journal. Write 3 lines every night. What did you do? What did you learn? How do you feel? Example. Today, I practiced English. I learned 1 new word. I feel proud. Section 16. Practice on bad days. Some days you will feel tired. On those days, practice a little. Even 1 sentence counts. Never break the habit. Section 17. Change your thinking. English is not just a skill. It is part of your lifestyle. Speak it, think it, live it. Section 18. Build confidence. Confidence is not built by waiting. It is built by doing. Speak daily. Listen daily. Improve naturally. Section 19. Pronunciation tips. Slow down your speech. Clear English is better than fast English. Record your voice. Listen again. Correct little by little. Section 20. Learn sentences, not just words. Do not learn single words only. Learn full sentences. Instead of help, learn, can you help me? This makes speaking easier. Section 21. Daily challenges. Challenge yourself. Speak today. Listen tomorrow. Write the next day. Repeat every week. Section 22. Learn grammar naturally. Do not stress over grammar. Fluency first, perfection later. Grammar improves with use. Section 23. Leave your comfort zone. Speak even when you are shy. Confidence grows when you act. Section 24. A simple story. 1 student practiced 10 minutes daily. Another waited for free time. 1 year later, the daily learner spoke fluently. The other was still waiting. Consistency wins. Section 25. Practice now. Say out loud, I am learning English. I am improving. I will not stop. Section 26. Your future. Imagine 1 year from today. You speak naturally. You understand English easily. This is possible. This is your choice. Final message. Do not wait. Start today. Outro. Thank you for listening. If this episode helped you, subscribe for more English learning content. Practice daily. Think in English. Grow confidently.